Well, I'm back, and I finally finished adding this leg vise to my workbench. It didn't go well. Let me show you why. All right, so we're going to put the leg vise on my workbench. It is going to be using power tools. It's just so much easier to drill with a power tool than a hand drill. My arms are tired. So drilling from the back and then from the front, just so the hole isn't super ragged. And then we pop in there, and now we're gonna drill a hole into the chop. The chop, I just used a bunch of scrap wood, 2x4 and 2x6s. They're all pine and fir from the big box store. Again, drill from the front, drill from the back, just to make sure your hole isn't super blown out and ragged. And then here we go. There it is. Place the chop over the bench just so I can put the entire vise in. And then yet again, more power tools because my arms are tired and I just kind of wanted to get this done. So I bought a handle from Lee Valley, which is also where the vise came from. Just gonna screw it in. I don't have the caps screwed in yet because I still wanted to be able to take the handle out, like so. All right, this is where disaster is gonna happen. I started sawing the top of the vise off because I had made it bigger than I needed to, just because I kept playing around with angles and stuff. And as you can see, disaster happened when I started sawing from the other end and dug into my workbench. And now I'm just lamenting that fact. So it didn't go well. I did bite into my own workbench, but it clamps, and that's really what I need it for. Anything else, it's not like I do precision woodworking anyways, so as long as it works, it works. Anything else, I can either make a jig for it to make sure everything is 90 degrees or, use winding sticks and stuff like that to make sure things are straight. So it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Like, comment, subscribe.